So Kim from Cali Kim and Gary from Rusted Gardener have this tomato challenge to grow the biggest tomato, but they can't be the only ones out there growing tomatoes. So I'm making my entry into the contest. Whether it's official or unofficial, it's a lot of fun, you know. So here it is. Alright, Gary and Kim talk about having the biggest tomato. This is going to challenge you. This is going to be my entry into the big tomato challenge. There you go. This is one big pink Berkeley tie-dye. So we got our scale set. So we're going to put this baby on here. It weighs 11¼ ounces. Alright, Gary and Kim, you can't be the only ones having fun growing tomatoes this year. So this is my official, unofficial entry to your tomato growing contest. 11¼ ounces. That may not be my biggest, but right now, that's where it is. So I'm challenging all you other tomato growers to see what you have in your garden and present the challenge to both Kim and Gary in the tomato growing contest for 2018. To enter the contest, all you have to do is post a YouTube video or a photo on Instagram. On YouTube, just use Tomato Contest 2018 in the title. And on Instagram, use hashtag Tomato Contest 2018. So right now, that's my biggest tomato I have. But looky here, I have some down here in the making. They could certainly be a lot bigger. So we'll have to check back in the season and see how they do. Like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you're a tomato grower, hey, subscribe down below. And always come back and see me.